Alright guys, so what's up? I know it's been a while, but we're back at it again. We're gonna do some maintenance videos today. Come over here, we can show you what we got. So today is oil change. The filter for the oil. Part number in case you need it. I'm afraid that shit's about to...
Doesn't matter, bro. Do it with your hand. If it's loose enough, do it with your hand. Put the thing under and then your hand.
Oh yeah, it's loose now.
There.
Oof, and it's hot.
Yeah. So put that under and just loosen it and quickly move it. Brian, you know you gotta catch the bolt, right?
Yeah.
He's like spinning his hand like zoom.
Oh my god.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh my god. I didn't catch it, but it's there.
Grab it. You can still see it. Grab it. Can you see it or not?
Yeah, it's there. I just...
came
After draining the oil, you just take out the filter, open the little gasket for the oil, so it could drop easier. And then you gotta take these two off. One will be here. You just do it with a flathead and with your hand, and same as this one, just a flathead in your hand. And then you gotta put the new ones, which they should always come with a filter. New one. Fuck my leg. Shut up, Javier. You're gay. $74 down the drain. Literally.
You gotta leave your dad in the background. Oh my god.
Is that the last one?
One more.
Alright boys, now that you guys finished watching the oil change, it's the next day today, and we're gonna give the car a wash because it's pretty nasty. I mean, look at this. It's really bad. It's mainly in the back too. It's pretty disgusting. So we're gonna go get that taken care of right now. So as you can see, the even my carpets are pretty nasty. So yeah, let's get that taken care of. she came out pretty nice. Definitely not perfect, but kind of nice. Cleaner than before. I mean, compare the rims to how they were before. So not bad. Now we just gotta do the interior. So I'm gonna pull up to the vacuum and get all that cleaned off, because we don't want that. Alright boys, so after a few hours of working on the interior, this is how it came out. It's definitely way cleaner than it was. You can clearly see it by the carpets. The back is pretty clean. You won't really notice much because it wasn't that dirty. But yeah, it came out really good. And with that being said, if you guys like the video and you want another one, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, whatever you want to see on the car. I'll see you guys in the next one, and we're out.